Hey everyone! In today's short video, I'll be showing you how you can use a plugin to quickly update descriptions or documentation links for multiple components in Figma, and I'll be using Chakra UI components, which I got from their community file, as an example. So we'll start with the descriptions, and what I'm going to do is I'll select all of the components which I want to update, then I'll go to plugins and I'll search for bunch description change. Then I'll run the plugin. I currently don't have any descriptions, and if I wanted all of these components to have the same description, what I can do is change it to something like new and update. So now if I were to use the instances of these components, first when I go and just search for an instance, you can see that I have the description popping up in a tooltip as I hover over the components. And then if I were to grab an instance, if I'm working from Inspect panel, I see the description here on the right. If I'm working from Design panel, I can also see it under the instance settings here. If, let's say, I no longer wanted my components to have descriptions, there is also a quick and easy way to erase the descriptions. All I'm going to do is, once again, select them, run the plugin, and I'm going to clear field. You can either type it manually or just use this button, and you'll press change, and your components no longer have a description. The second useful feature of this plugin is updating documentation links. So let's say I wanted to link all of these components to have a documentation link that goes to the Chakra's website. And there is a way to do it without too much manual work. So what I'm going to do, I'll select the components, I'll run the bunch description change, and I'm going to update this option from change description to change documentation link. And again, currently we don't have anything. What I'm going to do is I'll select this URL. And from here, I'm going to use this layer name button, and I'll press change. So now, if I have, let's say, a badge, and I'm working from Inspect panel, I now have this button called View Documentation. And when I press it, it takes me to the Chakra's website, straight on the badge page. And I have it available for all the components here. Of course, the only thing that you need to keep in mind for this is that the name of your component matches whichever the URL is of your documentation. I hope you find this useful. Personally, for me, this plugin has been a huge time saver, and maybe it will be for you too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.